Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Dinma here. So today's look is just basically a blue yellow cut crease with glitters, and yeah, we're going to start with our eyes. And I just used the Elegant Pro Concealer in Cotton to conceal underneath my brows, and then I'm going to go in with the Elegant Pro Concealer in Yellow Corrector as my eyeshadow base, and I'm going to use that big fluffy brush to blend it out and make sure we have a smooth canvas to work with. Guys, we're going to go into the Morphe Palette, and I'm using those two blue shades. The first, I applied the dark blue shade in the shape that I want it, in a rounded shape, and then I blended it out with a light blue shade. So this is the Morphe 35E palette. So that's what I'm just basically doing. To go into the light blue shade from the Sleek Eye Divine Caribbean palette. I'm just going to use that to blend everything out and blow out the look. And this brush I'm using is from the Naked palette Urban Decay. I've had this brush for a long time and it has not shed or anything. It's just like, it's brand new. It looks brand new, but I've had it for like 3 to 4 years now. So I'm just going to blend that out and then go back in one more time with all the shades just to re-intensify everything and make sure that it is pigmented and the colors are showing as much as I want them to. Okay, to cut our crease, I'm using the Elegant Pro Concealer in Yellow Corrector and this flat small detail crease brush from Techniques. I'm just going to create a halo cut crease and then blend out the concealer. I'm just using a big flat brush to pack in the blend in the concealer so it is smooth, and this helps me just to work faster compared to the small brush. And now I'm going to go back into the blue shades one more time, to blend out that concealer, the ash line, so that there's not just a straight line of demarcation, like everything is blended in together and it is seamless, so you can't see that straight line demarcating the concealer and the shadows. And now for this blank space on the lid, I'm going to go into that same Sleek Eye Divine Caribbean palette, and I'm using kind of like a very icy silver shimmer shade, but you can see it's very icy. It's a shimmer shade. I'm just going to pack that in the space there, the blank space, and we're going to top it off with glitters. I'm using the ifthere Beauty chunky glitters. This is in the shade Foy. It's super gorgeous, super beautiful. But first I'm going to apply some lash glue. This is a duo adhesive lash glue in clear, so I'm just going to put that first, and then I'm going to go in with the glitters. I'm going to pack in the glitters and just put them in the position I want them to be, and you guys will see how it comes out. Moving on to our face, we're going to leave our eyes for now. I'm just going to spritz my face using the e.l.f. makeup mist and set spray, and then we're going to go into foundation. For foundation, I'm using the Elegant Pro HD foundation in caramel and the Maybelline Superstay in truffle. I use 2 pumps of each. I said 2 pumps, no. I use 2 pumps of caramel and 1 pump of truffle. And yep, I'm just going to use the beauty blender to blend that. This is super full coverage. Like when I say full coverage, it is full coverage. Both foundations are full coverage, so yeah, it gets like super duper full coverage when you mix both together. So I'm just going to blend out the foundation with my beauty blender. It is damp, by the way. And then we're going to go on to concealer. I'm using the Elegant Pro concealer in Cool Tan. I'm going to apply this to the eye point of my face, which is underneath my eyes, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and the center of my forehead. For contour, I use the Fair Makeup Gold USA to contour, and now I'm just going to blend that out using this brush. And I really applied my contour underneath my cheekbones and the perimeters of my head. Once I blend out my concealer, I'm going to apply my nose contour. But for now, we're just going to do the rest of our face. Okay, so I'm using my beauty blender, the same one. I'm just using the pointy part of it to blend out my concealer. And yeah, I like to leave my concealer a little bit for it to dry out. So I tend to blend out my my contour first before I blend out my concealer, so giving it some time to dry out and increase the coverage and thickness of it. I'm using the Sacha Buttercup to set our concealer in place. I'm just going to set everywhere we applied the concealer, and then I'm going to go into the Electric face palettes. I'm going to use the first shade there to blend the rest of my face to set the rest of my face everywhere, and then I'm going to use the darkest shade in that palette to set our contour and re-intensify it. Now I'm using the white powder, the translucent powder, not white, the translucent powder in that same palette. I'm just using it to, you know, carve out my contour and bake at the same time. Okay, moving on to our eyes, I'm going to apply those blue shades. First, I'm applying the dark blue shade to my lower lash line. I'm taking it really close to the lower lash line. I'm going to apply it to the outer corner and the inner corner, leaving the center blank. And then I'm going to go into the second blue shade to blend it out. And then finally, the last blue shade, you know, just to blow everything out and connect it to the top of the to the top shadows. Yeah, to the top of my lid, the top shadows. Same thing. And now I'm going to take the silver shimmer shade, apply it to the center, the blank space. But before I did that, I went in with a black gel liner for my waterline, and then I blended it out with black shadows. I'm also going to apply the glitter to the center where I apply the shimmer shade, just to, you know, make sure everything is tied in together to make the look, the top and the bottom of my eye look exactly the same, so everything is tied in together. Now I'm applying mascara. This mascara is from Karite. This is from Karite. Yeah, I'm just going to apply that to my lower lashes and also to my top lashes. And then to apply our lashes, I applied the I used the duo adhesive glue lash, the same one we use for our glitters. I'm just going to apply directly to my lash line and then wait for it to dry a bit, then go in with the lashes. The lashes I use are from Msmetics in the style Cora. Okay, I dust away the powder and I'm just blending my face, you know, using my skin tone powder to tie everything together so there are no harsh lines, there are no white cast or anything. And then I'm just applying a tear duct highlight. I'm using a very icy kind of blue shade to the tear duct area, just to, you know, make that place bright. And for highlights, I use the Morphe 902G highlight palettes. I'm just going to apply that to the cheekbones and the tip of the nose and bridge of the nose. For lips, I use the MAC lip liner in Cork to line my lips and fill out the outer part of the lips, and to fill out the outer part of the lips, so it will be easy for the lipstick to blend into the liner. But for this video, I didn't use a lipstick, I used an eyeshadow. I'm going to show you guys the palettes. I used a baby pink shadow, and it came out beautiful. Like, the pigment was there, and it was like I had nothing on my lips. It was just very lightweight, very beautiful, but very easy to blend, and it was pigmented. So I loved how it looked on its own, and I didn't add a gloss to it. Like, I didn't want to add a gloss to it because it was just looking beautiful by itself on its own, the pigment, everything. So I super loved it the way it appeared. So that was why I didn't add the lip gloss, because I didn't want to take the shine away from the shadow. I never knew that shadows could look that good on the lips. Now that I know, I think I'm going to run out of shadows very, very faster than I'll run out of lipstick. Like, yeah, I'm going to be using my shadows very, very more often as lipsticks because it's beautiful. So guys, this is the finished look. It is complete. Everything is super duper beautiful. That's baby pink lipstick shadow. Just, you know, it went so well with the blue eyes. Everything is just like tied in. It's like from baby pink to baby blue, and the glitters, everything is just super duper beautiful. I'm so happy with how it turned out. If you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Join the family. And also guys, follow me on all social media platforms. It's at Dinmacoco on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, please stay safe, and I love you guys. Bye.